2, 1.
Hey everyone, I am Carolina Arguelles Navas, and I'm the Global Product Marketing Lead for Snap's AR and camera features. I'm really excited about this session, where we hope to share insights about creators, developers, and brands like you who are building and growing their business by tapping into the power of Snap's augmented reality platform. Now, we truly believe that if you are building your business without a camera strategy, you aren't building a business for the future, or even for today. Because the camera is already a key part of how people are living their everyday lives. And this is quickly evolving and advancing as new technologies are introduced and new interfaces like glasses are created. Now, just like you had to adopt web, mobile, and even social media to meet the shifts of consumer behavior, so too must you build with the camera. Now, on Snapchat, we see this daily camera behavior on a massive scale. Billions of photos and videos are taken daily, and people's relationship with the camera has changed. They aren't just using the camera to commemorate and document, they're using it to experience. Over 200 million Snapchatters are engaging with augmented reality every day to have fun, learn, search, and even shop. And it's not just Snapchatters. It's expected that 75% of the world's population will be actively engaging with AR by 2025. This consumer shift of moving from computing on your mobile screen or desktop screen to the camera is already upon us. The creators, brands, and developers leaning into this change are not only driving reach, they're driving meaningful growth for their business. They're solving problems that hadn't been solved before. They are disrupting industries like art, gaming, travel, education, and commerce by creating experiences that offer the most immersive and personal experience possible, one where people are participants rather than viewers. So whether your goal is engagement, purchases of your product, or increased usage of your application, in this session, we hope to share with you insights about the strategies that our partners are using to grow their business. Now, first, breaking through the clutter of online media is challenging, but pausing and paying attention is so much easier when the person is at the center of the experience. For example, Hershey's brand Reese's drove a 29-point lift in ad awareness, well above category benchmarks with their campaign on Snapchat, which included an AR lens that transformed the user's face into their beloved chocolate. The campaign also created conversation of their brand with a 6.7% share rate. People didn't just play with their content, they captured and shared it, becoming advocates and influencers for the brand with their friends. And it drove over 1 million earned impressions for Hershey's. Using AR to grow top-of-funnel growth is a tried and tested strategy to get noticed. And with public profiles launched earlier this year, discovering your AR lenses at any time is now possible. Second, reducing returns and helping the consideration and purchase of products online through AR shopping is another incredibly powerful strategy. Especially during the global pandemic with store closures, but relevant at all times when users are shopping online, the ability for businesses to enable a personal, immersive experience for shoppers to try on their products and even walk around their virtual storefront to discover new items has driven incredible results, helping to solve key business challenges like improving conversions and reducing returns. Brands like American Eagle have created virtual stores for shoppers to walk around, explore, and purchase products right from their living room. Their holiday campaign drove over $2 million in incremental sales from this experience. And new technologies like 3D body mesh, wrist tracking, and real-time cough simulation are enabling even more products to be tried on and purchased. From makeup to shoes, furniture to cars, and newly enabled jewelry, bags, and apparel, the opportunities to improve the shopper experience feels limitless with the power of augmented reality. New tools like Lens Web Builder and new creation services like 3D asset development with Vertebrae are making the development of these experiences even easier and cost-efficient for brands. And new advertising features like GBB Pixel Purchase is optimizing delivery of AR experiences to the Snapchatters most likely to try on and buy. Now, the third strategy is all about loyalty. In a world where it feels like loyalty is all but gone, how can brands build ongoing relationships with shoppers? The camera can be used to recognize what's in front of you and deliver contextually relevant content to help improve the real-world experience. So it doesn't just end at purchase, but after. For example, Too Faced Cosmetics use Scan, Snap's visual search feature, to enable their eyeshadow palette to be scanned and unlocked an AR tutorial, where users saw step-by-step instructions from a makeup artist using the palette and a live side-by-side demonstration of the same makeup look being applied to their own face in AR. The opportunity to extend well beyond the small physical edges of your packaging are now possible with the camera. This utility is helping brands reimagine what it means to stay connected beyond the purchase. And we know that not every brand knows how to develop AR experiences or have the skills in-house, which is why we aren't just investing in technology, but a thriving ecosystem of creators and developers that can use our software to help build experiences for partners. Earlier this year, we introduced the Creator Marketplace to make it even easier for brands to find and contact creators to work with. While discovery of these amazing AR lenses for businesses has been focused on reaching the Snapchat audience at scale, we're so excited about the future, where lenses built with Snap's technology can power your own applications as well. To share more about our solutions for developers and the success that they're seeing, I'll pass it off to Brooke.
Thanks, Carolina. We built one of the world's most powerful AR cameras so you don't have to. With Camera Kit, any developer can leverage our 10-year investment in the Snapchat camera, bringing our AR capabilities right into their own applications. Whether you're building a new app with AR at its core or adding augmented reality as an enhanced feature to your existing app, Camera Kit was built for developers to grow the value of their business through our AR SDK. There is no limit to the types of partners that Camera Kit supports. If you can dream it in Lens Studio, you can have the experiences you build live in our app and in yours. We are amazed by the innovation of our partners that are already showing the versatility of how AR can help them grow, from applications built around learning and education to sports to fashion. We believe that the success of augmented reality is dependent on a diverse developer community to help push the boundaries of AR experiences. Today, I'm excited to share some insights from our early partners on how they've seen success with Camera Kit. First, Camera Kit is helping partners grow the engagement of users on their application. For ShareChat's Moj, as an example, nearly half of all camera posts include a lens, resulting in 350,000 videos created daily. Through augmented reality and the development of more than 300 lenses in Lens Studio, Moj has enhanced the creation experience for its community of creators. Voisey, an app that lets singers, rappers, and music producers create and collaborate with the goal of empowering more people to publish original music, has seen 43% of total content created on its app using a lens. DressX, which was founded in the belief that the fashion industry can be made sustainable with digital fashion, has integrated the Camera Kit SDK to enhance the way that they're servicing their customers, allowing them to not just browse and purchase new digital looks, but create content directly in their app with lenses powered by Camera Kit. In addition to engagement, we want to help our partners grow their application and their audience. Because Camera Kit partners are building AR for their own app in Lens Studio, they can seamlessly distribute their lenses to Snapchat as well. By posting lenses to their organic public profile, partners can make their AR lenses discoverable to the 200 million Snapchatters engaging with AR every day. When interacting with their lens, Snapchatters can tap on the call to action button to be deep linked to their app or to the App Store to download the application. With sponsored lenses, partners can also pay to promote their lenses directly in Snapchat's carousel to drive efficient and effective app acquisition campaigns. Similar to businesses, some app developers who are integrating Camera Kit may not have the expertise internally to build advanced AR experiences. So, they're turning to expert lens studio creators and agencies to help concept and develop new lenses for their application. We are making this even easier for Camera Kit partners by introducing a new feature within the Creator Marketplace that allows developers to purchase sets of lenses already built by some of our top creators, expediting their time to market while simultaneously providing a new way for our creator community to build their own business. It's just the beginning with Camera Kit. Our partners and our teams here at Snap are learning every day about what works, what can be improved, and how together we can change people's lives with augmented reality. With Lens Studio and our AR developers at the heart of Snap's AR platform, I'll pass it off to Sophia to talk about how we are investing in our growing ecosystem of creators and developers who build with Lens Studio.
Hello, I'm Sophia Dominguez, the head of AR Platform Partnerships. I'm so excited to talk to you today about lens creators and developers who are growing their business building with Snap AR. At the heart of what it means to build your business with Snap AR stems from the power of Lens Studio. The growth of Snap's AR ecosystem has been absolutely incredible, as we have now more than 250,000 lens creators from more than 200 countries and territories. And what has been so exciting to see, especially within the last 1 to 2 years, is how the new technology and releases and advancements from Lens Studio have ushered in a whole new type of developer who is building with Lens Studio. These developers are building new experiences that are immersive, informative, and help people around the world learn, play, and solve problems. We learned a lot about how our lens creators and developers are seeing success. What I want to share with you today is a few strategies that are helping our lens creator and developer ecosystem grow their own businesses by tapping into the power of Snap's AR platform. The first strategy is from lens creators who are building an audience and are monetizing themselves as a direct creator. One of the biggest differences of AR on Snapchat over other platforms is that you're putting out content whereby you have the potential to influence or capture billions of impressions from around the world. We've been able to create an area where AR creators themselves are becoming influencers, simply because of the amount of reach that their lenses are able to achieve on the platform. For example, Phil Walton, who has created over 5 billion total lens views and averages about 7 million views per day. He's kindly shared a few tips with us that we hope will help you grow your audience on Snap. First, be genuine. Share your authentic self, and you'll see that people will really appreciate what you have to say. 2, have an interesting style. Some call it brand or aesthetic, but it's the thing that makes you unique and fascinating. 3, engage your fans. Your audience is generous enough to give their time and attention to you, so give something back. Create with consistency. Keep a regular schedule and stay in conversations with your audience. If you go quiet for too long, they'll just move on. Bonus tip, remember that the internet and the world is a collection of everything that we individuals put out there into it. If you think it's too fake or cynical or mean, you have the power to add something positive, good, and true. The second strategy, which works for many of our advanced and sophisticated developers, is how they monetize their skills through servicing the thousands of brands and Camera Kit developers who want to distribute in AR, leveraging Snap's platform. We make these individuals and agencies discoverable through our Creator Marketplace, which we announced and launched at SPS earlier this year. We found that some of the best ways for these individuals and agencies to build up more business is by posting their prototypes, work in progress videos, or finalized lenses on Snap, LinkedIn, and Twitter to make it even more discoverable for businesses everywhere to see. As a creator, we understand that sometimes it can be frustrating that brands and companies aren't just coming to you for your help. But part of that reason is because they don't even know what's possible. While we're no longer in the early days of AR, we're still in a phase where we need to be showcasing to the world what is possible that you can do. As lens creators and developers like yourself, you are in such a privileged position because you're one of the only few people in the world who can actually understand, communicate, and build what is possible. With simple tactic like just putting out prototypes and creating examples to inspire the world about areas you think are great and are the right bets in AR has really worked successfully for a number of you. Like Go Spooky, who uses this and is how they roll out new technology, including their machine learning model, which enables 3D object tracking for Snap lenses. Or Brielle Garcia, who told us the secret to her success this year is to be curious, experiment, and have fun. She says she loves showing off any new features and making people laugh in the process by just being really timely with jokes. Business inquiries have drastically increased as a result, and she's had way more inquiries than she can even handle this year. Last, but certainly not least, the third strategy that works incredibly well is to build your own AR company. At Snap, we want to invest in entrepreneurs who will build the future of AR along with us. We are paving ways to invest back in you as people who are helping us push the boundaries of what's possible. Ghost is one of these pathways and was designed to invest in third-party developers and studios exploring new AR use cases that will push our platform forward. Separately, another pathway is our AR Ecosystem Fund, which we've doubled down on in the last few years and is supporting advanced lens creators in our Snap Lens network through funding new AR opportunities and use cases. We will continue to invest in ways that you as a lens creator, developer, partner, app developer, brand, or business will help you build your business and define the future of what it means to build a business off the back of AR. To learn more, please visit ar.snap.com. Thanks so much.